Let's take a look at this cordless vacuum. I just got this, the company gifted this to me, so I'm gonna try it out and tell you what my thoughts are about it. The first thing I really noticed about this vacuum is that it came packaged really, really well. It was super easy to put together. There's only a few components that you have to snap together, and it went together super easy. A nice thing, it also came charged at 75%, so you don't have to wait for it to be charged before you can try it out. Let's put it to use and see how it works. Just got done using this new cordless vacuum and I'm really pleased with how it worked. I have a lot of area rugs and also hardwood flooring in my house, and so it did a really good job on both of these. It has 3 different suction levels, so you can have it at a higher suction level, a mid, and a low. So it will, if you turn it on to the low, it will save more of the battery time. I did run it for up to half an hour and the battery definitely lasted for that long. It is super light. If weight is a concern for you, this is a really good option because you can carry it around. I can pick it up no problem. I like that you just pull the lever here and the trap opens up on the bottom to easily dump all of the debris out into your garbage can. You can even detach it if you would like. That simply, and then you can just take this over to the garbage can, or you can leave it all together and dump it that way. It does have an extension on the vacuum, so you can just extend it if you would like to be taller. One thing I will say is the vacuum does not stand up by itself, so you have to have it on the hanging hook that they provide. One of the other cool things is that they give you some aromatherapy packets in here, so you can actually add those to your vacuum to add a little bit more scent in your room. It also has a HEPA filter here, and they give you 2 different replacement HEPA filters in the box. I really like the flexibility of this cordless vacuum. It's really lightweight, it's versatile, and you can use it on so many different things. If you're looking for a new cordless vacuum, then I would definitely recommend this one.